Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjul Kumar. Today I am going to show you in this video a brand new app that will pay $20 for absolutely free, and you can withdraw money in this app via PayPal, Fix, Payeer, Dana and gcash. Okay friends, before going to the video, click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon. Then you can see a notification as soon as we upload the video. Now let's go to the video. This app name is Pet Blast Match. First we need to open the app. As soon as the app is open, it comes to enter a photo and a name. Enter name and photo of your choice and save. Okay, now click play button. All you have to do in this app is to look at the same image and touch them as I am doing, and by doing that you can get the relevant coins when you complete the goal given by them. You have to see a small ad to collect coins. After that your coins will be added to the account. Okay, I hope you understand how we can collect coins from this app. Let's complete a few more levels like this. Coin earning without even realizing it. This game is very funny and you can collect coins very easily without any effort. Daily check-in reward. During the day you will get amount of coins and you can collect them with a small ad. After playing other game, you will find a gift like this and you can get the relevant coins by looking at an ad. Okay, let's spin. All you have to do is watch an ad and spin the wheel to collect the coins you get. Next, withdraw. You can get the money you earn from this app through methods like PayPal, Fix, Dana, gcash and Payer. You have coin 4 lakhs and 60,000. You can withdraw $20. I am not going to explain too much. You can take care of everything after downloading the app. Next, invite friends. When you enter the code in the place where it says enter code, you can get some coins in addition. You can share the code you receive with your friends and get more income. Okay, so that's all there is to say about this app. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And with the hope of seeing in your other video, I say goodbye for today. Have a nice day, all of them.